Hello everyone, this is my review of the Skechers Men's GOwalk Evolution shoe. These shoes look real nice and they feel nice. I got these shoes because I like the look of them and I wanted shoes that didn't have laces that were pretty easy to slip on and was kind of like a sneaker but not a sneaker. So I like the soles of them. They have good traction on there. So I'll put these on soon and let you see what they look like. Okay, let's see. We'll try these bad boys on. Like I said, I like them that they're easy to put on, so I was able to put them on with one hand. And just like that, it's really easy. Put on the next one on my big feet. And they feel very comfortable. They fit good. They feel soft walking in, so it doesn't hurt my feet. Pretty comfortable. I like them and I can't wait.